Yes, myself I am Mark. I am dealing with your physics. Okay, and today we are going for a chapter called as force. Force is the first chapter of your textbook. Okay, so what is force? When you talk about force, force is a type of energy. It is nothing but a pull or a push. To do any activity, we want force. For example, if you want to open a door or close a door, or if you want to lift a bucket, or if you want to run, walk, or if you want to remove a drawer, all we need force. Thus, this force is nothing but a pull or a push. Okay, a pull or push. If we do some action of pull or push, then we need some energy. Okay, that is also comes with force. Okay, when you come to force, this force is defined as a something which do some action, either push or a pull. These forces are of many types. Let us discuss about some forces. One is types of forces. Types of forces. Okay, so from these forces we see first one is contact force. Okay, first one is contact force. Second one is magnetic force. The third one is electrostatic force. The fourth one is muscular force. Okay, let us discover contact force. The force which is in contact. For example, we are keeping a book on a table. Then the contact between the book and the table has existing with some force, that is called contact force. If you are sitting on a bench, then the contact between your body and the bench is having some acting of force called contact force. Okay, and if you are applying paste on a toothpaste on a brush, the contact between the brush and paste is contact force. Okay, magnetic force. You know magnetic force. If you bring a bar magnet, place it on a table, then you bring iron, nails, and drop around the magnet. What happens? The nails gets attracted to the magnet and sticks to the magnet. That magnetic force is active. The force exerted by the magnet is called magnetic force. Electrostatic force. You have been seen with children playing with a comb and a piece of paper. After your head bath, you bring a comb and comb with the comb. After combing, you bring the comb very close to the pieces of paper. The paper pieces get stick to the comb, that is electrostatic force. Here, charges will be acting. Like charges will repel, opposite charges will attract. As we know, magnet, like poles will repel, opposite poles will attract. Opposite charges will attract, that causing an electrostatic force. Muscular force. Muscular means muscles. The force exerted by body muscles to do some action is called muscular force. This muscular force acts when you lift a bucket, when you draw a door, when you close the door, when you kick a bag, when you kick a bike, etc. Okay? When you apply muscles, especially the muscles of your body, that is called muscular force. Okay, hitting a ball, kicking a ball, okay, playing a cricket, running, walking, these all with muscular forces. Okay, next, when you come to the point of This three we got, four we got, and fifth one is your frictional force. Frictional force. This force is nothing but opposing force. We can also say it as opposing force. Let us discuss what is frictional force. The force exerted to oppose the motion of an object. For example, when you are pulling the bench towards you, there is some opposing force which opposes the moment of the bench, that is called frictional force. For example, the force between the car tires and road, that makes the grip of the tire on the road, that is called frictional force. Okay, and this frictional force is more, then we have to apply more force for the moment of the object. Okay, next we have net force. This net force is nothing but total force acting on a body or object. Okay, and next one is normal force. Okay, the eighth one is gravitational force. Before going to normal force, we want to discuss about gravitational force. Gravitational force means the force exerted with the earth due to its gravity. If you are throwing a ball away from the earth surface into the air, the ball, after reaching some certain height, it falls down because of gravitational force of the earth. That is denoted with the small g. Whereas frictional force is denoted with the small f. Okay, muscular force is with the Fm. Contact force F small c. Magnetic force F mag. Okay, electrostatic force capital F small e. Normal force, the last one is normal force we discussed. Net force is Fnet. Normal force, the force acting on an object vertically opposite to the gravitational force, is called normal force. Now let us say there is a floor. This is your floor. Okay, a book is placed on the floor. Then normal force acts upward direction. Gravitational force acts downwards direction. Okay. Next. Here it is the contact. This contact force will apply here. Okay. Yes. That is how we can say. And okay, that is how we can see. Once again, what is force? Force is nothing but an energy required to do some action like pull or push. There are some types of forces. Contact force, the force which acts between the contacted area of the two objects or surfaces. Magnetic force, the magnetic force, the force exerted by the magnet on the magnetic substance is called magnetic force. It is attraction of iron nails by the bar magnet. Electrostatic force. That is the attraction of charges which are opposite in nature. Okay, Fe. Muscular force means the force exerted by the muscles is called muscular force. Lifting a bucket, we need one muscular force. Okay, kicking a football, we want some muscular force. Okay, hitting a ball with a bat, we need some muscular force. Yes or no? To run, to walk, we need muscular force. Frictional force, this is the force which opposes the moment of an object. That is also called as opposing force, denoted with small f. This frictional force is again of four types, that is rolling friction, sliding friction, fluid friction. Okay, something. This friction we can learn very well in the detailed chapter of second chapter. The name is frictional force or friction. Okay, here stationary friction is also there. That is the friction of an object is at rest. Okay. Net force. Total amount of forces are algebraic sum of all the forces acting on an object. Okay. Here normal force will be acting opposite to the gravitational force in an upward direction. Gravitational force will act downward direction. This is nothing but W is equals to mg. W is the weight of an object, m is the mass of the object, g is the acceleration due to gravity. That is around small g value is 9.8 meters per second. Okay, this is how we can understand about this. Right? Next, we are going with and tomorrow class we are going to learn some examples of frictional force and gravitational force in detail. Okay, and in this chapter we get some sums to find out the net force of an object. Okay, that is how